Hi, I'm Allie Gill,
And I'm Jason Gill.
and we are Norwex Independent Sales Consultants. Today we are going to show you the Superior Mop Systems and the Mini Mop System. I started with the Mini Mop in the beginning of our journey with Norwex, and this is the size. It's a smaller size than the regular one, you can see. So if you have an apartment or a smaller house, or you want to be able to fit right underneath those chairs in your kitchen, this is the size. And I have the different pads. We have a tile pad if you have a lot of tile in your house, and this comes in a larger size as well. It kind of has a weave that is a little bit stiffer that goes throughout the cloth, the pad. And this is our dry pad. I like to think of the sun. The sun is dry, it's a sun color, and you're going to use this on the floor first to dust your floor and get all those crumbs up before you do the wet pad. To do the wet pad, you want to get this wet underneath the water, and then you need to wring it out really good just by rolling it, kind of like a burrito, and then you would just squeeze it, and that's all you need is just water to clean your floor. Jason's going to demonstrate that at the end with our large Superior Mop System. He will show you how that works. After you dust, to clean this pad, you need the rubber brush. And what you do is you stand over a trash can and you would just take, it has little rubbery bristles, and you will knock all of the debris right into your trash can, and you're ready to use this again. You do not need to wash this after every use, so you can easily clean that. And Norwex just came out with a brand new mop. It was released at conference in July. They showed us the mop, and it's so pretty. It is called the Nordic Naturals Mop, and it's actually inspired by Norway, and Norway is where Norwex got its start. And these are the colors of our new mop pads that go with the Nordic Natural Mop. Now this does not come in the mini size, just in the larger size, and Jason's going to share a very astounding fact with you about a problem in our environment.
So, over 60 million plastic bottles end up in our landfills and incinerators every day.
So Norwex created a solution. These mop pads for the Nordic Natural Collection actually are made with 70% recycled materials. So I'm so proud of Norwex for finding a solution to all those plastic bottles. And so this is your wet pad. It's called Rose Quartz, and this is champagne, and it is your dry dusting pad. And the mop handle is a rose gold, a gold, and the head is a silver color. So very stylish. And now we are going to mop our floor. Now I will have a disclaimer. We purposely left our floor dirty, unmopped, unswept, so that you can see it in action and see how well it does with just microfiber and water. Okay, Jason is going to show you how the mop works. The handle is adjustable, so people of different height can be able to use it. Okay, so you start off with the yellow pad. It's our dry pad. It can get all the way up next to your baseboards. And you just go back and forth in the pattern to be able to pick up all of the crumbs and dust that's on the surface. And our pads are all Velcro attached to your handle. You just put it down on the floor and stick on the pad to your head. And it dries very quickly, and once again, there's no residue. It is just water that is cleaning the floor. So when you're walking, once it's dry, it's not going to leave behind a stickiness that you would normally find with a mop that has a cleaner. When you're done with your wet pad, you'll just rinse it out and make sure you hang it up to dry. Do not leave it on your mop base. That can actually cause the glue to your Velcro to wear away from that wetness. So always hang it up to dry when you're finished. Thank you so much for watching.